Hey guys, welcome to another video on Brand Device where we talk about business and finance. My name is Bharat. If you're new here, consider subscribing. On this channel, we talk about everything from taxes, dividends, stocks, business, finance, all of these things. So make sure you turn the bell notification on so that you do not miss out on any of these videos. In this video, we're going to talk about how are staking rewards taxed in Germany, because there was a lot of discussion going on and I received a lot of comments on my Instagram too, that please let me know, does staking increase the tax-free limit of cryptocurrency from 1 year to 10 years? That means generally you're able to sell your cryptocurrency in Germany after 1 year and you do not pay any kind of taxes on it at all. But people are confused. Does it make it almost a real estate where if you wait for 10 years, you essentially are getting all of the profits from the real estate tax-free? That's at least what I read, and I'm going to also share all of the information and details and everything in this video with you. So let's start, and I'm going to take you to the screen. Again, all of the websites are in German, but I'll be translating them for you so that you can understand them much better. So let's go to the first one. This website is called cryptotax.io. I found this website to be the most, let's say, simple and easy to understand. Then afterwards, I also went to some law firm websites like Vinhella, and then a few others, but these two were the best. So I'm going to be taking the things from these two websites. The first one is essentially staking a commercial activity, or do you have to register yourself as a business because you're staking your cryptocurrency? So the short answer to this is no, and there are some cases for and against it that he talks about in this video. The first point which speaks about commercial activity, or that you will have to register a business, is that you are doing this activity to make money. Second is that it is sustainable, that you're making it over and over again. Then third is that you're essentially taking part on the entire, let's say, economic commercial activities. The fourth thing is that you're doing it as a self-employed person. You're doing it on your own. No? Now, the thing here is a bit different with self-employment, because you're not essentially doing work by yourself. You have just allocated the ADA or whatever other kind of cryptocurrency you have to a staking pool, and that is generating rewards from it. No? So essentially the blockchain is giving you rewards for just staking your cryptocurrency in that particular place, but your actual work is not there. So that is a bit questionable. Now, the things which speak against it is, first of all, you are not doing any kind of private asset management. So this is something that you have just lent it out to somebody. Second thing is that this is not done by your own work. If you're doing proof of work or something, then it's a different story, because you have invested maybe in a lot of GPUs and stuff, you're using a lot of electricity, and you're doing all of this independent work so that you're able to make that money. So there things become different. Now afterwards, another thing which speaks against it is that it is not agriculture or something like that. So this again means that you do not have to register a business to stake your cryptocurrency in Germany. That's the first thing. Then they say here, zusammenfassend lässt sich also feststellen, dass Proof of Stake in der Regel keinem Gewerbebetrieb begründen sollte. Ob die Gewerblichkeit bei anderen Einkunftsarten wie Masternodes vorliegt, könnt ihr hier lesen. Now let's talk about the taxation of staking rewards. Here, if you will go down, they essentially say that this is going to be considered as, let me read this, der Erhalt von Coins durch den Algorithmus Proof of Stake im Rahmen der sonstigen Einkünfte ist zu besteuern. Neben den erhaltenen Zahlungen kann der Steuerpflichtige jedoch auch beim Verkauf der erhaltenen Coins Gewinne oder Verluste erwirtschaften. So, if you will go to this video, I'm also going to link this video. This video is in German, but it explains everything to you in detail. So they essentially also talk about how exactly these things are taxed. Here, if you see that there is going to be a free limit from other activities that you're making money from in a year of 256 euros. If your staking rewards are above 256 euros, you have to pay taxes on all of that. The underlying cryptocurrency that you have staked, that does not have any effects from this at all. So you still have the limit of 1 year. This information you can find on another website, which is called Vinhella. And here you can see keine Verlängerung der Haltefrist von einem auf 10 Jahren bei Lending, Staking und Masternodes. So again, you can go more into the detail, but it essentially says that the asset is not generating money by itself. So you're renting the apartment out to somebody or something like that, so that it becomes tax-free after 10 years, but you're getting the rewards from the blockchain. So this should be considered in the 256 euro tax limit. Now, one thing that you have to remember is that 256 euros is not the exemption. As long as you go above it, you have to pay tax on the entire 257 euros at the personal income tax rate in Germany. So keep this in mind. But again, like if you're starting out, like maybe if you bought like crazy amounts of ADA, so of course like the taxation is going to be different there, and you will be maybe like paying more money or something. Now here comes the other issue, that maybe at the time when you were getting these rewards, the cryptocurrency was value at a very high price, but then afterwards when you're filing the declaration and you're like sending it out, maybe then the cryptocurrency does not have that value at all. Maybe the tax that you're supposed to pay on this is going to be more than the money that you will actually earn if you will sell all of the rewards that you have received via staking. So this is an issue, and the German legislators are working on it. I'm pretty sure that they're going to like, figure out a way to tax this like one way or the other, but we are going to see that in the future. But so far this is the case. You have the tax-free limit of 256 euros a year for staking. It does not increase the tax-free limit from 1 year to 10 years. Two important things, and I think like this is going to really help you out. Again, to remind you, I'm not a tax consultant or a lawyer, so always discuss these things with your personal tax consultant or lawyer to like understand more about this stuff. But I've seen in Germany like so many people, like they just don't have any idea about crypto, and they see crypto as a taboo, especially so many tax consultants and stuff. So like make sure that you're spending some time in finding good tax consultants. That is very, very important. If you want to learn more, how do you start investing in cryptocurrency? I've made 2 videos about it. First is how do you start investing in cryptocurrency via Binance. I show you the step-by-step. The second is how do you start investing in cryptocurrency via Coinbase. Also like step-by-step process. So far my personal portfolio is on Exodus, for example, with 37,000 euros. I have 15,000 euros in Bitcoin, 14,000 euros in ADA. So I bought it at 3,000 euros or something. So it was at 20 cents. So I'm really happy that there was a nice 5x or 6x from there. Ethereum, I have around 3,800. Then I have VeChain with 3,000 euros. So this is on Exodus. Then afterwards, of course, I have on Binance some kind of like coins lying around. And some of these coins that I get are also from Referral, because that's why you're going to see here Dogecoin, which I have like never really invested by myself. But when somebody trades this, I just get it as a referral, and like it just diversifies on its own. So that's the thing. But the active investments that I've done so far is on Exodus, and then afterwards I have on Revolut. Unfortunately, I had to buy on Revolut, and I cannot like take this money out on my private Exodus wallet, because at that time Binance blocked me for a while. So that was not so nice, but now it is like all cleared and stuff. The thing is that because there's so much hype right now with cryptocurrency, so all of these exchanges, they're also like struggling to keep up with the demand. But so far my experience with Binance has been the best. I think they offered the cheapest prices. If you're looking to start investing in cryptocurrency, I think Binance could be a better option. If you want to sign up for that and want to support this video, use the link given in the description, which is my referral link for Binance. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you still have any kind of questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section below, or write to me on Instagram. There I'm pretty active and I will be able to respond to you there too. Thank you so much again, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.